this is Unity, and I'm here to show y'all another DIY Afrocentric uni design print. And this design is called Nia, which means purpose. I want to thank you all that have been sending me pictures, beautiful pictures, and I will show some of those pictures at the end of this DIY. So let's get started. So the name of this design is called Nia, and I decided to use a butterfly. You don't have to use a butterfly if you don't want to. You can use any design on this print because it means purpose and it means like evolution. Let's get started. Okay, so I'm going to get a red paint, and all the items, all the colors of paint that I'm using will be in the description box. So you can also prime and paint your foundation if you would like. So first I'm just going to paint with this red. It's called a cherry red, and like I said, you can use any color you would like. Get real creative, y'all. I'm just going to take this down like this. Okay, so when you're dealing with paint, you give it a couple of coats so the color can be popping. So the next color that I'm going to use is a black. And then I'm going to put the black right here. In Kwanzaa, there are the liberation colors or Pan-African colors or RBG colors, red, black, and green. And the black stands for, the red stands for the blood that our ancestors shed. The black stands for us as a people, and the green stands for our land. And okay, so I want to incorporate that in Nia design. The next color I'm going to use is a green. Okay, so now I'm going to do this side. I'm going to put a line right here. Like a zigzag line. Another zigzag line. I'm going to get some green paint. I'm going to put some green paint right here. Right here, I'm going to paint that black. The next color I use is a King's Gold, which looks yellow, like a mustard yellow. And then I'll just put that right there. Next color I'm going to use is a blue. The next color I'm going to use is a black. You know, when you paint and you just go over and define and clean all your lines up once you're done. I'm going to use an orange. I'm going to use a yellow. I'm going to use a blue again. Orange. And I'm going to use a black. You can also pause the video, stop if you want to use these particular colors. Like I say, you can always do the design and use many other colors if you want to. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do is let's add some colors right here. So I'm going to put a red. I'm going to use a black. Okay, so we have this so far. So I'm going to clean up some of this paint. Then I'm going to come back and then we're going to start. I'm going to let it dry. Then I'm going to come back and we're going to start doing some designs on it. All right. Okay, y'all, we are back. So we're going to start doing some designs. We're going to use a white paint. So let's start on right here. So we're just going to put a dot right here, a dot right here. We're going to just take the dots all the way around. White dots. We're going to go all the way around to here. Okay? So the next thing we're going to do, we're going to take a gold paint and we're going to go right in between. The next thing we're going to do is get the white paint again, and we're going to make a line right here. Right over here, let's make a dot right here. Let's make a dot right here. Let's make a circle right here. And then let's make a curve right there. A curve right there. A curve there. And then we're going to make another circle. curve right here. Then we're gonna make a curve right here. Another curve right here. And then let's make a dot right there. Dot right there. And we're gonna make a circle. And then we're gonna make a curve. Y'all can always slow this down, replay, stop it, pause it. So let's make another circle. And then we're gonna make a curve down there. And a curve right there. And let's just put a dot right there, that right there. Okay. So we done that one. So the next thing I'm gonna do with the white paint is put a line right here. I'm gonna put a line right here. I'm gonna put a line right here. Keep going. Okay. So we're gonna go over here with the white paint and we're just gonna put some lines. The line slanted that way. And we're gonna make a line right there. There. So now, right where this at, this line we made, let's outline this side right here. Y'all don't forget that y'all can also always use these designs on other things, not just earrings. Get creative. Use them on a lot of other different things. So right here, that's outlined too. Now it might be a little tight. Just take your time. You can use a acrylic paint pen to do this, or you can use this all that I'm using. The next thing that I want to, majority of everything over here we're going to outline in white, okay? So let's go right here and outline. So that's mainly what I'm going to do. So I'm going to go on and speed it up and y'all just watch it. So that's mainly what we're going to do over here. Okay, so you can once this dry, always go in and clean your lines up. So you gotta let it dry. So we'll go back in and clean those lines up. So I know they looking a little. Okay. So right here we're gonna do kind of similar what we did right here. So we let's just put a circle. Y'all, I'm literally making this up as I'm doing it. And then let's put some dots around here. Okay. I think I want to leave that black like that. I don't want to touch it. It's just something about that black. So now what I'm going to do, we're going to take some black and we're going to just dip a little black right on top of those, but make sure it's dry, because if it's not dry, a little dry, it's not going to stick. The next thing we're going to do, we're going to take some gold, and let's just put some gold right in the middle of these. All right, so that is it for this design. Mainly, once this dry, then you be gonna go in. You could go in, if you're using paint. Some people might be using color pencils or whatever. So you just go in and you clean up your lines and make it more cleaner. So when I come back, I'm gonna show y'all these earrings, glossed and everything. But like I say, you can always use this design for anything, not just painting. If you color fabric, all that. This is the design that I'm giving to y'all, like all the rest of them, and y'all freely to do what y'all want to do. A lot of times people go online and they copy people's stuff, and you have to be really careful with that because you can get sued. So when I'm creating these videos, I'm giving y'all something that y'all don't have to worry about no one saying, oh, that's my design. Unity gave this design to you. So this particular design and all the ones that's for the Kwanzaa series, I'm giving to y'all. All right. So I'm going to come back, and then y'all want to see me with the finished results. I wanted to show y'all this. I did go around here like that with the white outline because the black looked a little, the piece didn't come together, so I added that on there. So this is them. So this is my other one, y'all. It's a slightly different, but you know, it's similar design. So I wanted to show y'all my other one. All right, so this is Nia, which means purpose. And with the will of the God in y'all will incorporate this principle in y'all life. Yeah, so check out these pictures that I'm going to put of different people, you know, sending me some of their designs from the first, some of the first videos. So y'all check those out. And I want to thank you all. And if you all do create any of these designs, send me an email and I will feature y'all on my channel. And I will be having a giveaway after y'all see the last design. It's faith. All right, y'all, don't forget to donate to this channel. You can donate as low as $1. Don't forget to pick up litter in your neighborhood or any neighborhood. If you see litter on the ground, don't just walk past it. Remember to help people as much as you can and keep creating. Salam, salam.